Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to teach you how you can create list icons, list item list like this with this removing buttons. For example, you can click this and you remove that one, click this and you remove that one. Very easy. Here is the tutorial. I have here the HTML, I have here the JavaScript, and I have here the CSS. So what you just have to do, go to the page you need to add it, search for HTML, HTML, drop in, then come to this file, copy this, paste here. After pasting, go back and copy the CSS from here up to down here. Copy, go to advanced, click custom, paste. So you can have something like this. So now we are remaining with one thing to add this, because right now when you click here, it doesn't get off. But now once we add this, we shall be able to do that. So to do that, come back and search for HTML, drop down here in the box, then go and copy this, come paste here. But before you paste, first type the JavaScript, hit enter, then you paste. After pasting, you can preview now. This is the final results. You can put it in your Elementor website and you can edit anything here. Okay, this one, you want to remove this bob, put any. And now here, to edit it, come to content. We are first of all going to start editing this one here. And put this one like Martin. You see they change. Milk powder. You see all these ones change. So in case you need to add, just copy this one up to here. Copy, hit enter, paste. Hit enter, paste. Hit enter, paste. Hit enter, Control V. Enter, Control V. Enter, Control V. Then you will start editing this. This is Christina. For example, you can put this like carrots, chicken, and put this like soap, put this bread, like that. So the moment you update, even your list will update. So now to change the colors, and now here you can still remove this, remove. To edit this, the colors, etc. The fonts, come to custom CSS. Then now you look for the border, this is the color. For the border. The background, this is the color. For example, we can change the background like that. We can put here text color. Put here like color. We put like F, which is white. Then you see everything here white. On hover, the background, we can put, let us get a random color here for this purple. Then we come here on hover. On hover, the background should be purple. Then the color should be white. Color should be white. F ah, and you will have this. And still even this icon here, you can change the color. For example, we can get here like this red for remove. Back on hover, you come close on hover. This is the color. You paste yours, update, and there we go. So once it is on the preview, this is how it will look like. Very simple. Click here to delete, click here to click, click to delete. Ah, so that's how you can make it. Please, thank you and subscribe to my YouTube channel.